Let's talk about using percents in real life. And one of the common ways we use it is when we are paying tax on a meal, such as one at In-N-Out. All right, so this says you purchase a hamburger and french fries. The tax rate is 8.5%. What is the total cost of your meal? All right, so first of all, what are we talking about here? We are talking about a hamburger and french fries. So I want to find those on the menu. I see that a hamburger is $2.65 and french fries are $1.95. So I want to start off by adding those together. So I'm going to start off by adding $2.65 and $1.95 just to know how much those cost altogether. Remember, you can do these things on your calculator to save you some time. And that gives you a total of $4.60. Now that's without the tax. Now we know we are paying a tax rate of 8.5%. And remember to convert a percent to a decimal. What we want to do is move the decimal place 2 places to the left, or just divide it by 100 because we know percents are always out of 100. So I have 8.5%. and I want to convert that to a decimal. So I'm going to go 2 times to the left. That's going to give me 0.085. And just so you know, if you did 8.5 divided by 100, it would give you the same thing. So this is what we want to multiply by to find the tax. So we are now going to have $4.60 times 0.085, and that's going to tell us how much we are paying in tax. So when I do times 0.085, what I get is 0.391. So I want to add that to the 460. So now this is the tax rate. So you are going to add tax to original cost. OG stands for original cost. All right, so now we're going to take that 460 again. And we are going to add 0.391. Once again, something you can do on your calculator. And you're going to want to add the exact value because you're going to be asked to round to the nearest hundredth at the end. So that plus 460 is equivalent to 4.991. And it's going to tell you to round to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so hundredth, first of all, we have the tenths place and the hundredths place and the thousandths place. All right, so for rounding to the nearest hundredth, that means we only want 2 spots as if it's really representing a number value, a money value, right? So we are going to round here. So we're going to look at the thousandths place in order to round. And remember, if it's we'll start with 5 or above, you're going to round up. And if it's 4 or below, you are going to stay. So I see that this value right here is a 1. Therefore, I'm going to stay where I am. That means the total cost is going to be $4.99. Does that make sense? So if it would have been, let's say that would have been a 5, like 4.995, then I would have rounded up. And since this is at 99, that would have caused that to go to 100. Therefore, the cost would have been $5. Okay, so that is how you solve a percent problem with tax.